Welcome. In front of me is a LG F60, and today I'll show you how to block numbers. So to do it, we'll open up the dialer app, which is one right here. Just tap on it, and from here tap on the three little dots in the corner and select the call settings. And from here you have call reject. So you tap on it, you can select what calls you want to reject. So call reject mode, and you have turned off reject calls on list or reject all calls. We're just gonna choose the one that is reject on the list, and then also reject calls from. You have an option to reject private numbers. Might not be useful as much in this age, but at one point basically private numbers were flooded everywhere, so it was a nice thing to, I guess, have at that time. And you can also add a number, so you can choose it from either contacts, call logs, or just put it in yourself. So let's say I'm gonna make a fake number and tap on save, and now this number will be blocked from contacting me. So that's basically how you create a blacklist for calls. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.